Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So in this particular video we'll be going to see how to downgrade from Android 10 Beta 5 with the version 438 to the Android Pie or Android 10. So let's begin with that. So before we proceed with the downgrading process, that is how to download and then do the downgrade, let me confirm you the installed version on my side. So this is 438 with the security patch level of 5 December 2020. Now main thing comes that how we can download the file which will help us in downgrading the process. So for that I have already created a dedicated article on my official blog. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description box below so that you can go over afterward. So let me open Chrome browser. So this is that particular article. Nothing major has been mentioned, few minor things and few minor links and so on. So basically with this process we can downgrade to the Android Pie for the three version. One is 059, 060 and 063, and on the other side for Android 10 on 424, 429 and 432. So now let's move to the section from where we can download. If you want to downgrade to 59, then you can follow this link. 60 for 60 this one, for 63 this one, for 424 this one, for 429 this one, and for 432 this one. And before we actually jump into the installation part, oh sorry, downgradation part, the best part or a needed thing is that you need a SD card for the same. So once you'll have a SD card, just download the desired file and put it in your SD card. And a part of this, you have to take a backup of your internal storage because everything would be wiped. So I'm just again pressing or I would say recommending you to have a backup before doing this because afterward it will be as we have to do the hard reset process and everything will be deleted or wiped and then we can't even recover. So now let's move to the restart process. So a file has been downloaded to cut down the time, and in the meantime you have to keep on pressing the volume down button so that you can move over or boot into the stock recovery mode. So just wait for 5 to 7 seconds. We will be directly moving to the, I would say, stock recovery mode. So this is a stock recovery mode. The text or a UI on this particular section is very small, so bear with me. As I told you earlier that we have to download that file and keep in the SD card. So for that we will be using power button or for selection and volume rocker buttons to go up and down. So we have to move to the third option from the below, that is apply update from external storage. Once you will be pressing update power button here, it will list out all the contents in your SD card. So as I have already downloaded that particular file and kept it in my desired folder, so let me move to there. So in this particular video, we'll be going to downgrade to version 059. So I'm going to select 059 and this is a 059 file. I'm just going to tap it here and this is basically step one of the downgradation process. It will be now verifying update. Once this will be done, it will be prompting us to reboot the phone. So let's wait till the time this particular process will be completed. So finally the step 1 version of the downgrading process has been completed. Now let me reboot this system by pressing the power button because reboot system now option is already selected, and I'll be discussing why we need to take backup and why we have to follow step 2. But now the phone will be restarted and move to the Zenfone logo, and afterward you will see one screen where it will be asking to start the Android. You have to type or enter your password, whatsoever password you can enter, be it right or wrong or whatsoever. It will not be going to start as during the downgrading process. As per ASUS, they want to take don't want to take any risk with compared to, or I would say with respect to the installed applications compatibility and so on. So that's they might have done this purposely. So to start the Android, enter your password. So to get rid of this, you have to again restart your phone. Again, keep on pressing the volume down button so that you can again move into the stock recovery mode. And once you will be moved to the stock recovery mode, then we'll follow the step 2, which is hard reset or format or wipe data, which is factory reset and so on. And once you will complete that particular part, then you will get rid of this part, but on the contrary you will lose all the data. That's why I was emphasizing on taking the backup beforehand. So once you are confirmed, you just move to the fourth option from the top, that is wipe data and factory reset. Afterward just press on power button and now it will ask wipe all user data, this cannot be undone, are you sure? Yes. Once this will be completed, then before restarting we have to do one more thing, that is wipe cache partition, which is very easy. That is fifth from the top or fifth from the bottom. Just press it here. Yes, It will remove all the junk files which have been created during this downgrade process. Now we are good to go with the reboot system. Now it will do the data encryption process, and afterward it will invoke or instantiate, or I would say start the phone setup process. So let's wait till the time phone setup process will be begin. So finally, the phone setup process has been started, and now according to Mobile Career, it has like selected English India. Let me tap on start button, and we'll try our level best to complete this ASAP. So let me enter Wi-Fi credentials. After entering the Wi-Fi credential, now we have moved to the next section. So let me complete those as well. So here it will be checking for the updates with respect to Google Play services. If anything will be pending, then it will download and install it, and afterward it will move to the next screen. So here it is asking, do you want to copy app and data from the Google Cloud? As of now, for the videos perspective, I'm going to skip it. So again, checking info. The next part would be the vital part. So here it will be asking you for verifying your Google account. So you should be aware about, or you should remember whatsoever last Google account you have associated or used on this particular device. So I'm just going to enter that, and it will, if it will found legit, then it will allow me to proceed further. So after founding that like account was legit, now it has moved to the another part where it is asking me to, if you want to add user Google account or not. So at this moment I'm just going to skip. If you want, you can add it, but we can do this later part on as well. So let me just complete these things as well. We are almost on a verge of completing the phone setup process, and once it will be done, then I'll verify you that we are on a version 0.59 and successfully downgrading to that as well. So let's skip this particular security part as well. So finally the phone setup process has been completed. Now let's move to the settings section. After a system, then about, and here you will find 0.59. And one more thing before wrapping up the video, let me move to the system update section so that I can also verify you that you will be getting photo updates as well after doing this particular downgrading process. So even photo update related prompt has also been shown. Let me check here, tap it here. So it is now directly pointing us from 0.59 to 0.63. It's your wish. Do you want to go after 59 to 0.63, or by downloading the manual file to move to the 0.60 and so on. So from my side, this was all for the downgrading process with respect to Android 10 Beta 5 4.38 to Android Pie. You can also follow the same for 0.60, 0.63 or Android 10. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.